In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Android push notifications with Firebase Cloud Messaging using the Notifications Composer. Before we begin, this walkthrough assumes your app is already set up to receive FCM messages. That means your project is connected to Firebase, the required dependencies are in place, and your app registers for and logs an FCM registration token. Make sure the app is installed on a device or emulator with Google Play services. Notifications are allowed in system settings, and on newer Android versions, you've granted the runtime notification permission. If your app uses a specific notification channel, confirm that it exists and matches the channel ID you plan to use. Now, open the Firebase console and select your project. Head to the Messaging or Notifications Composer section. Create a new notification. Choose your Android app from the list so the message targets the correct application. Enter a clear title and message body. This is what your users will see. If your app listens for custom key value data, you can add those fields here to validate that your message handling code works as expected. You can also review options like priority or channel selection if your app relies on a particular channel for display. For a safe targeted test, use the Send Test Message option. Paste in the FCM registration token from your device. You can obtain this token from your app's logs or a debug screen you've already built. Make sure it's the current token as they can rotate. Click to send the test. Watch your device. If the app is in the background, you should see a system notification appear. If it's in the foreground, behavior depends on your implementation. You might handle the message in code and show a custom in-app alert, or you might log it to confirm receipt. Use Logcat to verify that the message arrived and to inspect any data payload your app is processing. If nothing shows up, double-check a few basics. Ensure the device has internet access and notifications are enabled for your app. Confirm your testing against the correct Firebase project and build variant. If your app relies on a specific notification channel, verify the IDs match. Consider reinstalling the app to refresh the token, and make sure you're using that updated token in the composer. Once you've confirmed delivery and behavior, you can repeat the test with different message content or data fields to cover more scenarios. And that's it. Using the Notifications Composer is the fastest way to validate your Android push notifications end to end.